Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and we have another gorgeous swag kit for the 2021 fall season. This is going to give you more of the traditional colors. If you like all the reds and oranges and greens of fall, this is going to be the one for you. We've already done a neutral one that sold really well for everyone that has neutral in their homes. This is definitely going to give you that pop of color for fall. So I've already kind of taken the two stems, fluffed them a little bit, mixed them together. I'm going to separate them so you can see what you're working with. So in your kit, you're gonna have first up this laurel leaf stem. Love this one. It's got some berries mixed in, but my favorite part is the beautiful green that you get on this one. It's just a nice green. This is actually sold in a set of 3 stems. This is the tall one. You can get the set of 3 picks on shopdeeslouisville.com. So if you just want this stem, it's like a shorter version of it. Go grab yourself a set of these. I've paired it with this beautiful pumpkin pine pick. It's got the pine cone on there, and they just work really well together. You don't have to do a lot of fluffing. You don't have to do a lot of work with this one. I'm literally gonna wire them together like this and tie some ribbon at the bottom, and you can use it on a wreath. Like I've got it up here on the boxwood. I think it's so beautiful on the boxwood with the green. You can always flip it upside down, put it on the top of your lantern, or if you want, you can also put it on a grapevine. So I've got the 18-inch here. Both of these wreath forms are available up on the website. That's gonna give you more of like a traditional fall look if you like that. Just a simple, nice swag. It's great if you have double doors. You put one on each wreath form. But again, if you have these boxwood wreaths, how pretty does that look? And you get a little bit longer use out of those boxwoods for the season. So I've already fluffed them. We're just gonna chop them off, add some ribbon, and you're gonna be good to go. It's gonna be a quick and easy project for you this fall. I'm gonna set them aside, tie my bow. I've got this 2.5-inch traditional plaid. It's got all the colors that are in those stems on it. We're gonna make a couple loops of that one. And then next up, I've got the orange polka dot. This one's always a big favorite of ours just because that polka dot's so bold and it's gonna show up really well from the street. Do a couple loops of that one as well. And now you're ready to tie it off with your wire and then twist it right onto that stem. What's nice too is when you tie that bow off, if in like a couple years maybe you want to do more green or you don't want the orange, you can easily twist this off and still use your stems. I'm going right underneath of the pumpkin, and I'm going to twist it. Make sure you get both stems in there. And I'm going to go ahead and twist it up here on this boxwood and then work my stems and cut my ribbon ends. So just twist it on. We're going to move everything around. So first up, get that pine cone out of there. Bring that pumpkin to the middle. All right, and then I'm gonna move my stems around a little bit as well. And then I'm gonna cut those tails. Let's start over here. That one's already done. So we're gonna cut this one down here. Cut this one here too. So you see that was so fast and easy. It's a nice thing to twist on. The other thing about these two is you could always make this piece like this and put it maybe in a bookcase if you have them, or even a mantle, coffee table, that kind of thing laid in a tray. It would work really well for that. Or you know, you can always put them on a lantern, put them on your front porch just to add that pop of fall. So head on over to shopdeeslouisville.com and get yourself some traditional fall swag kits.